Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys? I'm sure you are all in a good health. Before I start, have you known me already? There is a saying, if you don't know a person, how can you love the person? Therefore, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Diva Maharani and my friends call me Diva. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thanks to God for the abundance of grace and joy. We are still able to watch my speech on YouTube without any obstacles here with healthy condition. Ladies and gentlemen, through this speech, I would like to say a few words about the importance of maintaining health in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, we have passed the pandemic era for almost 3 years, counting since 2019. The coronavirus was first detected in the city of Wuhan, China. After spreading in China, a few months later, the coronavirus spread in our country, Indonesia. We have been living side by side with the coronavirus for 3 years. So, how do you feel? Everything changed, right? Our lives have changed. Those of us who used to be lazy to wash our hands or were lazy to clean our bodies are suddenly diligent in doing that. Because we are afraid to expose to the coronavirus. Not only that, the coronavirus also changed the social and cultural values of the community, which have an impact on changing people's mindsets, views, and attitudes in everyday life. Today, we are getting used to always wearing a mask, diligently washing hands with soap, having hand sanitizer ready, keeping a distance, avoiding crowds, avoiding physical contact with other people. Various social activities that previously we could do freely now have to be done by implementing health protocols. And then even social activities such as weddings, celebration, entertainment, and so on had to be stopped. Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 pandemic not only has an impact on public health, but also affect the economic conditions, education, and social life of the Indonesian people. The decline in these activities has an impact on the socio-economic conditions of the community, especially the vulnerable and poor. Therefore, the government, both at the central and regional levels, has issued various policies to tackle the spread of COVID-19 as well as policies to mitigate the social and economic impact of this pandemic. However, the implementation of these various policies needs to be monitored and evaluated to determine their effectiveness. The Indonesia government reported then on May 28, 2022, there were an additional 279 positive cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia, and 248 people in Indonesia recovered from COVID-19. But after going through all that, we get good news. President Joko Widodo has given a little freedom of wearing masks. Through the Presidential Secretariat official YouTube account on Tuesday, May 17, 2022, President Jokowi made a press statement regarding the easing of the use of masks. By looking at the current conditions, the handling of COVID-19 in Indonesia is getting more under control, so I need to say a few things. First, the government loosens the policy on the use of masks. Jokowi explained at the press conference. Many responses from Indonesian netizens include, and then I took a sample of Indonesian netizen responses about masks from one of the newsfeed Instagram account. This account is one of the accounts that spreads issues that are happening in Indonesia or in the world. From that responses, there were two teams: the team wearing a mask versus the team taking off the mask. So, which team are you? Wearing a mask or taking off the mask? No need to worry about it. The most important thing is that we always take care of our health during this pandemic. There are several ways to maintain health. First, implementing a healthy eating pattern. The first way that needs to be done to maintaining health during a pandemic is to adopt a healthy and balanced diet. Second, keep your body hydrated. Third, exercise regularly. Exercise can provide benefits, both psychically and psychology. Both of these, of course, can affect the immune system in the body. 4. Get enough sleep. These 4 ways are quite easy to do in everyday life. So, ladies and gentlemen, keep your health so that you can live longer on earth, and healthy is expensive. You will spend a lot of money when you are sick. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all my speech. I hope it's useful for you all. I'm sorry for any words or behavior that are pleasing your heart. Thank you very much for the occasion and your kind attention, and I hope your day is always happy.